So I was pulled over to take a video instead because before I left, I turned on the GoPro and realized the battery was dead. And then I threw in an SD card and realized, I went to record and realized there was no SD card. So I better pull over and get a shot on the way to Nordegg, and it is absolutely dumping snow out here. This is day one of the Cross Canada Moto Adventure Tour. I'm really hoping it changes from here. I think the highlights so far have been that the wind has been catching the updraft and the snot has actually been blowing inside of my windscreen. As you can see, I don't know if you can even see through here. I had to get off and go for a walk a couple times because my toes were so friggin' cold I thought they were gonna fall off. The heated grips are on high, but it doesn't quite get to the thumbs, so they're a little cold too. I'm not sure what people think when they drive by, but I'm probably the only biker they pass today. And we're about, I don't know, maybe another 45 minutes from Nordegg for day number one's layover. And man, I'm hoping that this adventure gets a bit warmer as things go on. There's the front screen of the Moto. Stanley looks good though. But everything else is a little wet, a little muddy, and a little chilly. Welcome to Canada.